I'm Dewi and I'm the Apprentice of the Year for Management and Business Services. I work at Babcock in RAF Valley, maintaining and servicing Hawk T2 aircraft to help aid and develop upcoming pilots for the MOD. Actually, I started off as an engineering apprentice, and after completing my apprenticeship, I didn't want to stop learning, so I enrolled myself onto a level 2 and progressed to a level 3 in management and business, which has been helpful in my daily tasks in work. Yes, I would recommend an apprenticeship to somebody. You get to work alongside very experienced people in that industry, and which is very knowledgeable. Also, you gain a recognised qualification, and an added bonus is you get a wage on top. My plan for the future is to further develop my skills and pass on the knowledge and experience that I've had to other people, be it if they're an apprentice or started in the industry, to the best of my ability.